Okay, so we just made our very first Python program. We learned how to run it within Visual Studio just by pressing the play button here, and that runs it automatically for you. But I want to show you guys now how to run it manually in the terminal. This is one of those things that you'll actually have to do pretty often, more often than you would think. So what's great about Visual Studio Code is it actually has built-in support for a terminal. So just go to Terminal, New Terminal, and now it's going to open up a terminal here in the location of your project, which is what we want because otherwise you'd have to navigate to it, which is annoying. So the first thing that you want to do is navigate to the directory that contains the file that you're trying to run. In this case, we're trying to navigate to episode 3 hello world. So to do that, you're going to use the cd command, change directory. So cd episode 03 hello world. And you can also tab to autocomplete, enter, and you can see now that we're in that folder, in that directory. Once you're here, you can now do ls to list the files if you want to. And we want to run the hello world Python script. To do that, you're going to do python hello world.py, press enter, boom. So as soon as you ran it, you can see the output of the file. So what's up, my name is Cody, I really like beans. Nice. So that is literally it. That's how you can run a Python script that you have created using the terminal Python command. So that's all I want to show you guys. Thanks for watching.